Cable management sleeves organize wires, reduce clutter, prevent tangles, improve safety, and create a cleaner workspace. Today's video is about top 5 best cable management sleeves for desks that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Univivi cable management sleeves. If messy cables are taking over your workspace, this under-desk cable management tray is a practical solution. Its spacious 36-inch design easily holds power strips, adapters, and excess cords, keeping everything neatly hidden beneath your desk. The tray offers 2 installation options: heavy-duty clamp-on or screw mounting, making it compatible with wood, glass, and metal desks. A convenient fold-down design allows quick access when adding or removing cables, while built-in ties help secure everything in place. Constructed with flame-retardant 600D Oxford fabric, reinforced bottom support, and sturdy clamps, it is built to handle heavier loads without losing its shape. Before purchasing, be sure your desk has enough clearance, especially if it includes drawers or support bars. Overall, this cable management tray is a durable, versatile, and easy-to-use organizer that creates a cleaner, safer, and more professional-looking workspace. Now our second product is Yecaye cable management sleeves. This J-channel cable management kit is an excellent solution for organizing messy cords at home or in the office. The set includes 6 15.7-inch channels, providing plenty of space to hide power cables, charging cords, and computer wires for a cleaner, more professional workspace. The outward-facing J-channel design makes adding or removing cables quick and hassle-free, unlike fully enclosed raceways. Installation is simple thanks to the pre-applied adhesive. Just peel, stick, and allow 24 hours for a secure bond. When needed, the channels can be removed with gentle heat, leaving minimal residue. Made from durable, flame-retardant PVC, they offer added safety while protecting cables from everyday wear. Their versatile design works well under desks, along walls, or behind entertainment centers. Overall, this cable management system combines easy installation, generous capacity, durability, and safety, making it a practical choice for reducing clutter and creating a neat, organized environment. Our third product is Ultimate Setup Cable Management Sleeves. This under-desk cable management spine is a smart solution for keeping cables organized while maintaining a clean, professional workspace. Its flexible vertebrae design can be shortened or adjusted to fit different desk heights, making it ideal for both standing and traditional desks. Magnetic attachments securely hold the organizer to the desk leg, ensuring cables stay neatly in place even as the desk moves. Installation is quick and straightforward, taking less than 5 minutes, and the versatile mounting options make it compatible with almost any desk setup. The included accessories provide everything needed to organize power cords and data cables efficiently while keeping them easily accessible for future adjustments. Its sleek design reduces visible cable clutter, improving both safety and the overall appearance of your workspace. Backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee and responsive customer support, this cable organizer offers excellent value for anyone looking to simplify cable management. Now number 4, Enonci cable management sleeves. This cable Raceway kit is a practical and complete solution for organizing and protecting cords in any home or office. The upgraded open-slot design accommodates thicker power cables, Ethernet cables, HDMI cords, USB cables, and other wiring with ease, while the larger channel provides ample space for multiple cables. The 77-inch kit includes 5 Raceway sections, adhesive tape, wire holders, and reusable Velcro ties, eliminating the need to purchase extra accessories. Installation is quick and straightforward, taking about 15 minutes on clean, smooth surfaces. Made from durable, fire-resistant PVC, the Raceways are impact-resistant and self-extinguishing, adding an extra layer of safety for homes with children and pets. Whether mounted behind a TV, along a wall, or under a desk, they effectively hide messy wires and create a cleaner, more professional appearance. Overall, this kit offers excellent value, easy installation, generous capacity, and reliable cable protection for everyday use. And our last choice is VIVO cable management sleeves. This clamp-on mesh cable management system is an excellent way to organize cables without drilling into your desk. The sturdy C-clamps securely attach to desktops between 0.6 and 2.8 inches thick, making installation quick and damage-free. Its 24-inch flame-resistant mesh net provides ample space to hold power strips, adapters, USB hubs, Ethernet cables, and other accessories, supporting up to 11 pounds while maintaining a clean, low-profile appearance. The breathable mesh design improves airflow around electronics and helps prevent cable clutter from building up beneath the desk. Installation is straightforward with a simple 3-step process, allowing you to have a tidy workspace in just minutes. The adjustable net can be positioned for a wider or narrower fit to match your setup. Overall, this under-desk cable organizer is a practical, durable, and versatile solution for creating a safer, more organized workspace while keeping cables neatly hidden and easily accessible. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.